Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi Shivdasani and today I am going to be trying out weird food combinations from restaurants listed on Zomato. Was I the only one that didn't know that Zomato was pronounced Zomato? Because now that I know, I feel so stupid for calling it anything else because Zomato sounds so like posh and sophisticated and British. Like, where's my cup of tea? I have a few options, okay? Like, there's a pineapple and kale fried rice from Fatty Wow, tamarind sorbet, aka Imli ice cream, guys. Bro, I need to have this butter chicken mac and cheese. Today's a cheat day, so it's okay. At least I'm not cheating on my boyfriend. What? Sakshi, what the hell? I'm just ordering the food. This part is gonna be boring. The food ordering has been done. I've placed like 8 Zomato orders and maybe like all the Zomato delivery guys will meet outside and have like a party. I mean they won't because it's all contactless and all of that, but in some universe. Bro. Guys, that is a lot of food that's been delivered in the last half an hour. Do you think Zomato delivery guys were just coming here and being like, "Is ghar mein ho kya raha hai?" But it was all contactless and stuff. And now I will take them in one by one. Hello, the food is here. Other influencers are unboxing like electronics or makeup or clothes or something. And I'm like, hi, my interest lies in food, and that is what I will be unboxing for y'all today. Hello again. Okay, I'm done successfully unboxing everything without even one stain on my white clothes. I am wearing elastic pants just in case I want to eat all the food. And when I was unboxing it, actually Zomato has this card inside their packages like wishing everybody like wellness and safety in these tough times, and I think that's so sweet. Like even my boyfriend hasn't spoken to me so nicely. What? Sakshi, what the hell? I am starving. I'm gonna start with this pan milkshake because it's a refreshment. Guys, if we make this video without me spilling anything anywhere, honestly, it's a miracle. First thing, pan milkshake. I don't usually like pan, but like I also love milkshakes. So maybe it's like a 2 plus 2 equals 22 type of situation and I might end up loving it. And what? That made no sense. It smells nice. You know, there are these people that have food preferences and I'm just like, I like everything actually, ma'am. This is actually really good. Oh my god, is there something wrong with me? Why do I like this so much? I need to move on to the other stuff, but I'm gonna keep this as my little beverage here. This was from Pishu's, and the next thing I'm gonna try is butter garlic idli from Banana Leaf. I'm excited for this because it honestly looks damn good. And it smells like butter and garlic and idli. Okay, I'm gonna get a spoon. They've given like sambar and chutney and all, and I'm so gonna use everything. If they've given it and I don't use it, that ain't gonna happen. Bro. Oh, that's good. This dish is so rich. It has 7 iPhone 12 Pro Max HD. Wow. I'm not gonna finish it because I feel like if I get stuck on any one dish, I won't have the appetite for any more dishes. The next thing we're gonna try is this kale and pineapple fried rice. It looks yum. What if I spill it? See guys, Jaan ki bazi pe khel kar I have shown you all this kale and pineapple fried rice because it looks so nice. And what? That made no sense. All this time we've been debating about pineapple on pizza and pineapple on fried rice. I was like, listen, this is worse than pineapple on pizza. But pineapple, we have underestimated you. All this while, I'm so sorry that we did this to you, but it's yum. The bitterness of the kale and the sweetness of the pineapple and the acidity of the pineapple with the starchiness of the rice combined to give you something that only Greek gods could have dreamed of. That's my MasterChef impression, by the way. That made no sense. Let's move on to the pasta dosa from Anand Food Stall. Now, if you lived in Bombay in the suburbs, you've had Anand Food Stall. I am trying the pasta dosa. Honestly, like they packaged it like alag so that the dosa doesn't get soggy. So I'm gonna have it like roti bhaji. Ooh, carbs on carbs. This is a straight up cheat day. I need a moment with this. Oh god. Okay, just silence for 2 minutes. I need to eat. I'm gonna see you later. Don't go. After this video, I'm coming back to you. But for now, I have other things to try. I don't have words. Like, this was damn good. Okay, what's next? Chinese samosa from Trupti Farsan. Oh god, the weird sounds are coming out. These Chinese samosas smell so good. Like, it's... I'm just popping them in my mouth. I'm sorry, this video is just gonna be me like slowly getting to a food orgasm. Like, this tastes like someone has put so much love into it, like more love than I received as a child. That's why now I seek attention all the time. You know, too intense. Bro, I saved like 2 of the things that I'm excited for in the savory things for last, which is the butter chicken mac and cheese. Hello, I love butter chicken, I love mac and cheese, I love interracial marriages. If your parents are not allowing you to have an interracial marriage, you should make them try this butter chicken mac and cheese from 1BHK. And maybe they'll be like, okay, yeah, beta, 2 cultures go so well. Go for it. Get married to the Italian dude. And what? Guys, I have to show you this, but I'm scared I'm gonna drop it again. Oh, yum. Guys, I'm going in for a big girl bite because the last bite, I don't think I did justice. We have to get to the Lal Mas pizza. I've had this before, I'ma be honest. My boyfriend loves Lal Mas in any way, shape or form. He would leave me for this tossing pizza ka Lal Mas pizza. Oh, there's a dip with it and there's like lemon with it if that's your jam. Lal Mas pizza. Again, Italian and Rajasthani. Chef's kiss. Oh, it's spicy. Chef's kiss, but this marriage of Italian and Rajasthani is gonna work out. Now that we're done with all the savory food, I have 2 very exciting but unusual desserts here. This is the tamarind sorbet. It smells concentrated of imli. I'm a little unsure about because I don't like tamarind, but maybe like the pan milkshake that I've been chugging, it's gonna be nice. You're gonna say I'm weird. You're gonna say I'm so weird, but this is actually nice. I feel like I'm pregnant or something. Why am I liking all these weird things? Hello friends. It is now time for the showstopper. I mean, all of them were, but the person that goes in the end is called a showstopper, right? I'm a model actually. Guys, this is the hide and seek biscuit grilled sandwich from this place called the Night Maggie. Guys, this literally tastes like a Nutella sandwich on drugs. You know, you all might call me weird for liking these unusual food combinations, but what is unusual? What is usual? Like, it's 2021. If somebody enjoys pan milkshake, let me. Bro. बहुत खा लिया guys. I'm honestly so surprised that there are so many unusual weird combinations, but like they taste so good. Like 9 months later, I have a baby. That's why I liked all these weird craving nonsense. No, I'm kidding. I'm not pregnant, I swear. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and comment. Please bring Sakshi back so Zomato wants to work with me again. Okay, bye, guys.